In the vibrant world of music, artificial intelligence is playing a game-changing role. AI helping artists compose breathtaking symphonies or analyzing past hits to predict tomorrow's chart toppers. Imagine personal playlists that feel like they understand your mood perfectly, or even entire virtual bands created by AI from scratch. It's like stepping into a new era where creativity and technology dance together. But let's be clear, AI isn't here to replace musicians. It's here to boost their creative power. It can dig through decades of musical history to spot hidden patterns, suggest fresh harmonies, and even breathe new life into old recordings. It's an exciting time, but it's not without its challenges. For instance, who owns a song when an algorithm has a hand in writing it? And there's the big question: could AI's focus on patterns risk making music too predictable? Maybe even losing that raw originality we all love? While we're still figuring out the answers, one thing is for sure: AI is making waves in the music industry, and this is just the beginning of a whole new symphony.